Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we will learn how to draw and paint a simple plate. Step by step, let's have fun with drawing. First take a white paper, a pencil and colors. Draw a big oval shape in the center of the paper. This is the top of the plate. Draw a big oval shape in the center. Now draw a small curved shape at the bottom to make the base of the plate. Our drawing is complete. Now it's time to paint. Color the top part of the plate orange. Color middle part light green. Blue color. Use pink color. Great job kids, your drawing looks beautiful. Keep practicing and enjoy drawing every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next time.